In this tutorial and in the next one we will be working with list views, and the list view is a control which is very often used. If I would say list view is among the top controls that are used in an Android application. In almost every application you find the list view. So it looks something like this, a list of items, and let's go to it. In our main activity, delete everything and just drag a component called list view. And remember, the list view, let's make it bigger, doesn't need to be inside a scroll view, so it automatically adds a scroll to it. Let's name it list view main, and here you'll find some nice properties, which among the most used one are, let's say, divider and divider height, but let's leave them for now. Okay, so let's get a reference to it with our butter knife. Okay, I have an error because it has to be inside here. So every list view must work with an adapter, and an adapter can be either a very simple thing like a string of items, or a complex adapter that we will learn in the next tutorial. So let's create a list of items that we want to put in the list view. I don't know if this is a correct order. Should be enough for now. So we have a list of items. Let's create an array adapter with them. And here we have some options to choose from. We will have to put a context, and this is main activity. This we'll have to put a layout resource, and for this you have to put, for this simple example, android.air.layout simple list item 1, and the last we have to put the resource, which will be items. And with this adapter we attach it to our list view. Adapter. Let's go ahead and test it. Probably I shouldn't say let's so much. Working good. Now how do you know if something is clicked? It's the same as in button. And on an item selected, and we have to put the list view here. Now I can't remember exactly how is this function, but if you just run it, it will give an error message. let's I will open the documentation because I can't remember how it is this on item selected. Okay, after some research, it's called on item click and not on item selected, so we can get the item click by making a function that contains a position as a parameter, and once we click something in the list, gives us a position of the element which we clicked. Now you might want to have the item name clicked, and for this we can just put it items of position, and because items is a variable declared within this method, let's make it final. Perfect. And we should initialize it where we created it. And now we can access it from our listener. So this is part 1 of the Listview tutorial. In our next tutorial we are going to put an image here and 2 text fields here, so we make it a little bit more custom.